Chapter 1. The Sun of the Truths is Rising. Section 1. The Sun of Buddha's Truths. The past, present, and future of humankind are tapestries that have been woven by the golden thread of the truths of Buddha, whom we also call God. This heavenly thread is his mind, his creeds, and his very life, which is everywhere, flowing through the entire universe. Throughout history, this golden thread has provided us with cloaks to warm our hearts and spirits against the cold. One such garment of splendor was the teaching of Shakyamuni Buddha in India. Another was the teaching of Confucius in China. A third appeared in Palestine, when the truths manifested as Jesus Christ's gospel of love. Since the birth of time, great men and women have been sent to bestow these garments upon the world in various shapes, sizes, and colors. In Japan, during the Heian period from 794 to 1185, the Buddhist monk Kukai and others spread Buddhist teachings that nourished the human soul. During the Kamakura period, from 1185 to 1333, monks such as Honen, Shinran, Eisai, Dogen, Myoe, Nichiren, and Ippen restored the teachings of Shakyamuni Buddha to prominence. And during the Muromachi period, from 1333 to 1573, Renyo revived the teachings of Shin Buddhism. In other countries, other great leaders have provided similar blessings. Certainly the teachings of such famous high monks as Nagarjuna of India and Tiantai Chiyi of China must be counted among these blessings. The works of these great men are all part of the heavenly fabric of Buddha's truths. Today, the emergence of happy science marks the fifth major religious movement in Japan, and with its arrival, the greatest masterpiece of the tapestries of Buddha's truths is now on the brink of completion. The moment is an extraordinary display of Buddha's growing desire to protect our hearts from materialism, and from the belief that our human existence ends with physical death. He is our great protector, who is always providing our hearts with light and warmth. And today we see signs that the sun of his truths is preparing to shine down upon us more brilliantly than ever before. Certainly there have been periods when the sun was hidden, when rain lashed us from the skies and icy gusts of wind made us shiver in fear. At times, the sun of Buddha's truths has seemed to keep its distance, and even to disappear altogether. Nevertheless, far above the thick sea of clouds that blocks our view, the golden orb has been faithfully emanating light. Even when chaos filled the earth and turmoil filled people's minds, making it seem as though the light had vanished, thankfully, his rays never failed to pierce the clouds. For this is the light of salvation that rescues us from times of darkness and provides us the spiritual nourishment for life. Today, the sun of Buddha's truths has grown even larger and has begun to rise above the horizon with greater radiance than ever before. In this book, The Laws of the Sun, I describe this blazing beacon of new hope that has been bestowed upon our generation and all generations to come. This treasure has been hidden for more than 2 millennia, since the time of Shakyamuni Buddha, but now, as the sun of Buddha's truths rises higher, its brilliant light emanates from a small corner of the world, Japan, the land of Shakyamuni Buddha's rebirth, and casts its radiance over the entire world. The sun of Buddha's truths is rising, and before long, countless people will witness its glorious glow as it embraces the world with its magnificence. The world today is waiting for this light, longing for Buddha's truths to rise with the dawning sun and shatter the ramparts of darkness, the worldly delusions that humanity has formed throughout the ages. Triumphantly and with a mighty force, he will take his will, his creeds, and his life to the limitless horizon of the universe. I have written the laws of the sun in the earnest hope that you will join countless others in rising to this extraordinary occasion by making it your life's work to spread Buddha's truths to all who long for spiritual nourishment. Every word in these pages is imbued with my wish to bring salvation to the world. It is my deepest hope that what you read here will become life-giving words of light for you, and for all our brothers and sisters on earth.